Abithaa wa njera ya Kameme Jackson Kuria kiharaka na Cop Shakur uria ukoretwo muharini wa mbere kuruta thirikari mahitia na uria wegwatire ngumo nene ni kunyita itemi hindi ya mirurungano ya Genz ni ahingiritwo kwa ihinda ria thikũ 21 kuringana na maabithaa a DCI. Marauga Shakur aikitio ngono ni undu wa gukorwo akiheana ndeto itari na uma na iria ingicungiriria ngui. Itua riri rikinyanirio ni igoti ria Milimani thutha wa DCI guikia ihoya riu niguo marikie guthuthuria wao. Akenya mwena wa comment section mekorirwo makiumiria na matuko maingi muno makiria makiuga mundu gwitwo Jackson Kuria ni agakorwo akiagarara ihato ciake cia kiwatho kuona nake ni abatĩrĩirio gukorwo akirũrũngana ũngĩkorwo ni akiona thirikari ĩno ya Mugithi William Ruto ĩragikorwo ĩtwarithia Kenya na njĩra njega. Na Apostle Jason Winner akauga he was supposed to be sacked first and be taken to KDF prison Kahawa barracks for good discipline. Na Dr. James WN akauga wenda umuiguane na Ruto kira. Na Vero Wanjiru, oh Lord of mercy, fight for this guy because there is no justice anymore. You are able God. And find a newspaper or if he protested while fully dressed in police uniform, he erred law because police are supposed to keep law and order but not to join the demonstrators. Hope the judge hearing his case would offer the best verdicts based on the constitution. Na mzee Yang akauga an overwhelming support from silent aggressive servants. Na mundu ogwitwo Edwin Njoroge aikia muhoro aketa gwitigira gakorwo akiugo Ruto gave the security agencies DCI and National Intelligence Service NIS intentionally to individuals who are from Somali origin because he knew they can turn Kenya into an unruly country like Somalia so that he can become a dictator with ease. He's daydreaming. Very soon he will know what happened to Sri Lanka, former dictator. Kenya sio Somali. Na Gladys Rorege akawa let all play for his release like the abducted young men. And Mary Modhan akawa we should recognize him as our hero. Na Devi Rashford akawa hapa watu nafaa waandamane mpaka Cop Shakur achiliwe, this is being inhuman. WKMC Jose Mokirenya akakuga mundu ndamiagira thani iria arariagira kana iria akuriagira. Sometimes it's good to keep quiet hata kama huna ukweli. Najua sasa moja hana kazi kama sisi. Na and Kingaka wa freedom of speech is constitution to all Kenyans. Na Githinji Maina kawa this guy should take advantage of the moment and come up with a pay bill or else cry a loan letter once in his social media influence that to wield this Gen Z as something else. Na Lucy kama uribona kwa wengine wanatafuta kazi, mwingine anapoteza kazi na anaenda jela peke yake. Na MC Prince Kenya kawa no gayeno aritohonokia. Na mudo wito Jacinta wa boy aekoro kimama aekoro kiugo kama ni mtoto wa tajiri wangesema ameruka kichwa, lakini juu hana mtetezi atafungiwa tu, wanyonge hutetewa na Mungu. Na Dungo Mnesa kwa thirikari ya Goma. Na Mainaji James kwa Mombali na Gai. Na Liza Wateregeta gia kwa maandamano ndilini. Na Peter Daro kwa my hero bloodline of our forefathers. Na Mudogo to Kangaroo Investment Enterprise kwa he's a human too. Na kwa Kenya wamfute kazi pia, sisi tumechoka kufanyia serikali kazi venye hatuwezi ongea. Na Ikondo Paul agakorwa kigo everyone has a right to express his opinion. Kenyan in return sisi sote. Na Fidel John akawa ulitumika mbaya na wenzako awadai tu ungenyamaza. Na Chauchi akawa he should be released, he is a normal Kenyan, he has his rights as well. Na David Kenya kiako unasifiwa hapa social media but ukitupa kazi utaona mtu. Na Jimmy Kawabo yako officer you suffer alone my brother. Na Eliza Waru inoka and the truth shall be true, he is also a Kenyan. Na John Guge akauga Bazenga mwenyewe. Na humbled akauga not that he is an officer, he does not have his right. Kwa dini yetu alikuwa anapigana na Zakayo. Nende totorai koroto kirumadira ya modo ogwito Jackson ne abithaa wa borithi wa njera ya Kameme uria gũkoretwo agĩkoswa thirikari ĩno ya Mugithi President William Ruto kĩumiria na andamanaji wenzake Gen Z agĩkorwo akĩruta matokoya make. Nĩ riboti tũgũkorwo tukimenya tukirumania nao kuona ndagĩka ĩno nĩ akorirwo agĩtuĩrwo nĩ igoti rĩa Milimani thikũ 21 yaheo abithaa a DCI makoma kusanya wĩra na njĩra njega nĩgetha magĩkorwo makĩmũkinya thĩinĩ wa igoti riu. Guku ni kwa Mwangi wa Mohoro, nitugukorwo tukirumanira na riboti ino na njira ndaya makiria. Nya muthenya ungi gitagwo Mwangi wa Mohoro, kuririkania mwena wa YouTube wagikorwo ugisubscribe thini wa channel itu, wakorwo ugicomment na wakorwo ugishare, nigetha tugagikorwo tuikinya rimwe mbere. Mwena wa TikTok otaguo wagikorwo ukitufollow, nigetha tugagikorwo tuikinya rimwe mbere hindi ciothe ria gukurehera mohoro maria maragikorwo makihanika thini wa bururi uyu wa Kenya.